the Honor X9B 5G. But who doesn't love a comeback story? But it doesn't always work out, right? Well, that is not the story of Honor in India. After coming back to India last year, the company has not looked back. Just recently, Honor launched 3 fresh products for the Indian market, and today we are reviewing one of them, the Honor X9B 5G. The Honor X9B comes with a polycarbonate back with a matte finish. The design looks premium, but this variant of the phone is a little slippery, so be careful. We get a 6.78-inch AMOLED display and it's super bright. Another feature of the glass is that the company claims that the Ultra Bounce anti-drop display is unbreakable. We are not gonna drop the phone to test it out, but well, it did not break. Even when you are playing games or recording video, the battery drains out in a standard fashion. Honor claims that the phone's battery will retain 80% of health after 3 years of use or 1000 recharges. As is the norm with a lot of smartphones, we are seeing today the phone features a 3-camera setup. A 108MP wide camera with laser autofocus, 5MP ultra wide and a 12MP macro camera. The selfie camera is a 16MP wide camera. The HDR mode, night mode and panoramic mode gives good results. Even in low light conditions, the quality of the images is decent. The phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor with an octa-core CPU and Adreno 710 GPU. The gaming experience on the phone is good. The operation of the phone is smooth with multiple apps running at the same time. But we did face some heating issues during long gaming sessions. Coming in at 30,999, the phone sits at a very good spot and can be a good option for you.